New Year and welcome to 2025. This is Leslie McDonnell with Remax Select Properties, Property Sales Vancouver and Central Vancouver Island. This year has started out to be promising. We've got quite a bit of activity happening. This, for me personally, I've been meeting with stagers. I've been looking at homes. Some of them are going into multiple offers this week. We hosted an open house, had great activity. I've got a new listing coming on the market next week, so it's nice. It's things are coming along. And overall, when I reflect and look back at last year, last year we had moderate sales, 40,000 sales for last year and the year before. The 10-year average tends to be about 50,000 sales, so we are a little bit low compared to the average, but still steady. I think we're probably going to see moderate changes in the market this year with respect to prices. Might change 5% here or there depending on the product, but overall nothing too substantial. When I look at what affects the market, ultimately it's supply and demand. When looking at the demand side, interest rates have often been a key driver of demand, and we saw them as high as 6% when the Bank of Canada started raising rates. Last year they did start to reduce those rates. We've got them down around that 4%, with some predictions that they might even go as low as 2%. So if you're looking to refinance or purchase a home, that's great numbers for you. When also looking at demand, we're looking at population growth. The Canadian government has had a pretty open door policy with respect to immigration over the last few years, allowing up to even 1 million people per year into the country, where we don't really have the supply of homes and maybe even the services to satisfy that growth. And there have been claims that they're going to be lowering that policy, not letting in as many people in an effort for things to sort of catch up. When looking at the supply side, I've been thinking a lot about building materials and what factor those are going to play. We've got a new president coming in the United States. Donald Trump has claimed that he is going to be bringing some big tariffs to Canada in an effort to wage an economic war. And that might have an effect on the supply. If we're not selling as many softwood lumber to the United States, the prices might come down here in Canada, selling them to the local, and we could see some more surge in this building. That being said, we've also seen huge devastation in Southern California, where wildfires have destroyed hundreds of thousands, so many homes. And so we might be seeing some pressure for selling the building materials down there, as well as labor, to rebuild those communities. So it's unsure as to how that's going to play out in the coming months. Overall, it's excited for this new year, the new energy that's out there, and it's always good to be adaptable, to be aware of what's happening. We've got a lot of question marks what's going to happen in this new year. I'm here to help answer any questions you may have. If you've got questions about your home, you're thinking about purchasing a home, just real estate in general, I'm here, Leslie McDonnell with Remax Select Properties, Property Sales Vancouver and Vancouver Island. I hope you're all having a fabulous day.